Imagine yourself in this Chevrolet 2006 Colorado work truck. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are seat strut vinyl 60/40 split bench integral outboard head restraints and dual cup holders. STD, work truck preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, engine 3.5 LDOHC 5-cylinder MFI, 220 horsepower, 164.1 kilowatts at 5600 RPMs, 225 lb-ft. 303.7 Nm, at 2800 RPMs, paint solid. STD, airbag side impact driver and right front passenger outboard passengers includes passenger sensing system, transmission 4-speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive, rear axle 3.73 ratio, tire spare includes steel wheel P205/75 R15 all-season black wall and